right, we'll just start our filming now. We got our assistant Judah in the 280G. So this was gone through body off restoration done by our friend in Poland. And he did it to be his personal vehicle. So we have documentation, it was full off. We ended up buying it from him. We did the Dobinsons Lift. We had these bumpers custom built. You know, swing out tire carrier. I ordered rubber floor mats for it that were custom fit. We did the BFGs. You know, all around we didn't install winches. Some people might not want them, but the Dobinson springs are nice and compliant, we'll say. Has a good feel to it. I guess Judah's hanging out in there. So it runs real good. You can see, we'll put it up on the rack for people, but the lift's brand new. We've probably put 20 miles on the thing. The tires are brand new. The restoration, I think, you know, he put less than 1,000 miles on the whole thing. You gonna shut her down? Pop the hood for me? So, neat front bumper. That's why we had them custom built. You don't really see them too often. So definitely have a lot of documentation. Has the, now I can't remember the name for the plaid interior. I skipped to doing video real quick from what I was on. So do you remember the name for the plaid? I sent it to you. And that's just a little scrap.
Puch cloth.
Judah's wrong. That's actually not the color name. I looked up the fabric material and it's in our description, so you can see it there. So headliner, seating surfaces, like I said, body off repaint, has power windows, mechanical lockers work. It's actually a beautiful car. I have been trying to locate, to the death of me, this rear handle, and it is not available anywhere. I've called Expedition, I've looked overseas, I've had our guys overseas trying to source it. I know that's probably why Miesco didn't end up with it. You cannot find it anywhere. So paintwork is good. If I recall correctly, the glass was pulled out. I think all the fender flares are new. You get in the wheel wells. Everything was disassembled. And we need to wash it before we do some undercarriage photos. We have an outdoor lift just for cleaning undercarriages. Axles were gone through, I think front end.
This is a really, really stout drivetrain. This 2.8 liter straight six. Mercedes were putting these in pretty much every passenger car they had from the mid 60s until about the late 90s. These were in E classes, S classes. It's a really stout drivetrain. Well within its power to go 250,000 to 400,000 miles.
And I know the wiper motor was replaced. Choose our way. They're a pain to get to, and went through the blower motor system. Front skid plate.
Has the fuel injection been?
Yeah, Peter went through it.
That's a real common issue on these, is the Bosch K-Tektronic fuel injection.
You can see, the bottom of the doors, the sills. I know, there are new shift boots. I don't know, I need to ask Miesco if he actually had new upholstery done or if this was original. I believe maybe new covers on the top here. That's our paperwork. like I said, a very, very well done vehicle. All right, we're gonna do some driving. Judah's gonna take it out. You actually see some moisture underneath it there. Not fluid, it's water.